First and foremost, me have to say my condolence goes out to the people them will lose them family. You see me I say? Right now, me I give my opinion on this whole submarine. You see me? This submarine so little, bro. Like, look on this submarine, people. More to not comment in the comment section and make me know what they think. This submarine is so small. You see me? 5 person. All in this submarine, you know. 5 person. And if I look upon it too, a 5 man. You see me I say? Yes, them are go fi look for Titanic. You see me? There is no way in this world mother left from out of my bed or yard or whatever me I do on the ground for go in the water for look for Titanic. You see me I say? Titanic go down long time, brother. Yeah, man. Don't look for what gone long time, you see me? Because remember no people, a whole heap of life last on Titanic ship, you know. Whole heap of life, you know, and look with a soul down there, so you know, people have to think about reality of life, you know. Going down to Titanic to look for Titanic or to visit the site where Titanic is, it's like a graveyard. You get me I say? Whole heap of people, family died on that ship. You see me? And to me, that submarine too small. You can't use submarine where you have to use a PlayStation controller, bro. Because that's a PlayStation controller, you know, bro. If on a PlayStation or Xbox, you know. You see me? Because man are no fool, you see me? What could have happened? Everybody know what happened. A current then lose electric, you see me? So from them lose electric, you know, you know it got people, you see me? From you lose electric under sea, brother, you know say alone sink and this is the talk of the town for the whole of this week in the US. On the news, everything, every second you see this on the news, them are searching them. You see me? The news people, them a say, when them reach 10,000 feet down, you know, 10,000 feet down, the people them lose connection with the boat or the upper head, you see me? And me say, and I first, this a little sub ya go down there too, you see me? Yeah, man. And I first, this a little sub ya go down there. But look on Titanic ship, brother. Titanic ship full of be a sea mass and all these things, brother. And right beside it, the ship then go find it parts for the local submarine, brother. I tell you, because the local submarine they can't hold it. It weight of the sea, you know. When you go down, you know, brother, the deeper you go in the ocean, brother, and the more heavier the ocean get on the sub. So most people over here say them I say right now I crush it sea, crush it sub, you know, brother, and nobody no survive, you know. Or them I say a fire light or fire get catching it or whatever, you see me? Yeah, that them I say on the news. I mean I said Jaja, you know. Condolence to all our family, same way, cause remember, you know, them a human being, same way like anyone else, you see me? Now because me won't go down there, that no mean say somebody else. You see me I say? And the thing not build right to brother, cause this thing too little bit. There's no way to escape, there's no nothing, brother, no swim gear, no nothing, brother. Eh? I can't believe, brother. But you know, I hope them soul rest in peace, you know. I'm going down to look for Titanic, brother. Brother, be a ghost down there, so brother. Be a duppy, if you don't understand. Be a duppy down there, be a spirit down there. So you're going down there, yes, to have fun and to visit. But duppy down there, you see me? Look on what them I use for control this a little sub here. Look on the controller. Look on the controller. Look on the controller. Could I? I mean, I know what them people are doing, but you know, them have them money and them do them own thing, but I want to know, give me no opinion, people. Would you go down to look for a Titanic in a little sub like this without no equipment to swim if you lost electric or anything down there that you need to survive? Because then I bring no food in, brother. I first 2 hours, the people them lose connection, like lose signal with who up ahead in, brother. We are send them text, 2 hour time since you got under the water. My God, if me the under water 2 hour time, I lose connection. A connection I lose, That means the submarine still I go, right? If the connection lose, right? Well, me I go back up, brother. You cannot go under somewhere where you live. This a submarine when you sink, and it sink underwater for 2 days, and them find it is a Russian submarine. Yeah, man. 7 survivors. Then find Pani in a 2 days. This a submarine, yeah. You see me, and this a submarine that look more compact than that the one there we sink. You see me, we go down Sunday. Because from Sunday they might talk about it, Yeah, man. This are the man we run the sub, you see me? The man in eye glass. A theme sub. You see me? Kill me dead. To me, them think them have everything planned out. But them never have everything planned out. And even if them say they make the trip with this a sub already, if you go look for the Titanic, it kind of hard for me to believe, because if you make such a trip more than one time, you're supposed to check the sub, just like how you check a car. You see me? For oil change and all these things. You get me I say? Yeah. Because that's a serious thing, Going down there, so, with 5 life in a little sub like that, it's very serious, brother, and it's very dangerous. You see me I say? You know the sea is not for us. I always say when you come from a different country, we try a lot of things, you see me? No whole heap of Jamaican will never go down there, so. You see me I say? For real. People, just leave in a comment and let me know if Uno would even take the chance to go down or look for the Titanic in a small submarine like that. Like this one. You see me? Yes, me know enough people that say yes, they would go look for the Titanic. But you need to have the right equipment, the right submarine to go down with what the Titanic there. You see me?